Hey, to connect the JBL Xtreme 4 with your Android smartphone, first of all, you have to remember to simply turn on your speaker by clicking once on this power button, and then click once on the Bluetooth button to enter for the pairing mode. So this icon will start blinking quickly. You will also hear that sound, which means that we are actually in the pairing mode. And all we have to do is just to open the Bluetooth settings on our phone, go to the paired devices, and from available devices list, you will have to select your JBL Xtreme 4. If it doesn't pop up on the list, you can try to reset the Bluetooth settings, but in my case, as you can see, everything is fine. So I'm gonna select the device from the list. Now I have to accept this pairing request. And next, you can additionally go into the Google Play Store and download the JBL portable application. And it will actually give you some other features, like for example the sound equalizer. So after connecting this into the Bluetooth settings, then get it on your phone, accept every permission that is popping on your screen, and after you are connected with the Bluetooth settings, you will be also automatically redirected. You will be also automatically connected in the application, so you don't have to make like some magic buttons combination or stuff like this. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.